Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get iPhone emojis on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to get iPhone emojis on the keyboard of your Oppo phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just select Agree. Then select Grant. Then tap on Allow. From here, just tap on OK. After that, just scroll down and in front of emoji fonts, just tap on See All. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on Unofficial iOS emojis. Now just tap on Download. Then tap on Apply. From here, just tap on the second option, which is Support Die Characters. Then tap on OK. Now just follow these steps to install the iOS emojis on your smartphone. For the first step, just install the unofficial iOS 18 on your smartphone. For that, just tap on Install, then tap on Install Z File Manager. From here, select Google Play Store. Now just install this app. Then tap on Open and select Grant. Now just enable this toggle. Now after that, just go back to the Z Font app and tap on Install. Select Settings and enable this toggle. And from here, just select Install. Then tap on Done. Now from here, just go back. Now after you install the unofficial iOS 18, for the second step, just change the region of your smartphone to Myanmar. For that, just tap on Settings and tap on Region. Now from this list, just select Myanmar. Now after you change the region of your smartphone to Myanmar, then go back to the Z Font app. Now for the third step, just turn on the Support Die Characters option. For that, just tap on Language and Region. And from here, you will find the option of Support Die Characters. Just enable this toggle to enable this option. Now, after you enable this option, you will successfully enable iOS emojis on the keyboard of your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can get iPhone emojis on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.